lasagna is for Christmas Day. Did you guys do lasagna Christmas Day?
Oh, yeah, we always have a lasagna.
Christmas Day, a week before.
Or Christmas pasta, some big, meaty, the entire barnyard.
Exactly.
Because you eat the seafood the night before.
Yep.
So basically, it's all game on with the rest of the barnyard
Cheesy,
on
meaty
Christmas Day.
pasta in your pajamas. This is my little version of their lasagna cupcakes. So,
A
lasagna cupcake, because it makes a great party bite.
Huh.
So, little mini muffin tin, and you fill it with a little bit of, sauce.
Little marinara,
Little
right?
marinara sauce. These are wonton wrappers that you could buy in the store, and you cut them into little circles.
Gotcha.
And then you fill your sauce first, then you do
a layer of wonton.
Then we do a layer of wonton. Then our
dollop
cheese
of-
mixture, dollop of our cheese mixture. Ricotta, Parmesan,
And mozzarella.
and mozzarella.
Yum.
Yum. Salt, pepper. Mix it. Oh, I throw one egg in too because it helps
Just to keep
bind
it together, right.
And as my mom says, it makes it fly. It makes it cloudy. It makes it like. And so we'd mix that all up, and then you get a layer of the cheese, a dollop of the cheese,
and then a little layer of meat. Ground beef, sausage,
onions. We put a little breadcrumbs in ours, but you really whatever you're used to. Then again, another.
Like Mama
Another
Leonis
layer?
back in the day used to put breadcrumb in with the beef.
Exactly.
Yep.
And then you just top it off, put it in the oven.
sauce.
A little bit more sauce.
A little bit more cheese.
A little bit more cheese. Here we
A
go.
little grated cheese on the top. Beautiful.
Here we go.
Bake these suckers.
Bake those
Oh, look.
suckers. And then,
Look, Mare.
voila.
Magically.
Good.
Sunlight here.
It's always great if you let them sit. Let them sit.
Just like a big lasagna,
Yep,
right?
and then
the longer they set, the more they'll set up.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly. And
They're
then
adorable.
if you run out of right.
Let me get the pretty trick.
So cute. Oh yes. And again, the same thing goes for this. You could make larger
You
ones.
can make big ones
and
or
serve
baby
that
ones.
as your meal with a little salad, and it's great. Or your little babies for your party bites.
All right, let's do
Just in
lasagna
case-
cheers.
A lasagna cheers.
Lasagna cheers.
Love you. Merry